Do not let the doubters make us hesitate. I remember so clearly when my grandfather, Governor Pax, was saying itatayo ang pinakamalaking provincial capital sa buong Pilipinas. Ang sabi ng ilan, imposible. Nung sinabi naman ni Governor Teng, magkaroon tayo ng pinakaunang provincial hospital, yung maliit pa lamang noon, sabi niya, itayo natin yan. Ang sabi ng ilan, gagastos na naman ang province ng Sultan Kudarat para sa hospital, maliit na nga sila, imposible. Mamaya, sinabi natin, we will build the biggest provincial gymnasium in Mindanao. Then again, the people said, it is impossible. Then we said, we will build the biggest provincial hospital in the entire country. Then again, the people said, other people said, it is impossible. Then sinabi ko during our time, we will open the College of Medicine during our first term. We will establish the Sultan Kudarat Convention Center. We will ensure that coffee industry is supported. Ang sabi ng ilang, impossible. Pero tingnan nyo, ladies and gentlemen, lahat ng ating ibinigay na pangako ay nagiging totoo at tinutupad natin. Sultan Kudarat is a place where we make impossible things possible.